So it's kind of risky for me to go back to Jamaica. I'm a citizen of St. Lucia, so I don't mind. But being in UK here, I can't be here and be on the street. I don't mind being here for protection, but I can't be here and being on the street because it's very risky.
Bless and love everybody, big up on yourself. Big up everybody that don't know peace and love and unity. Because I give thanks to the Rising Tuesday, you know what I mean? Big up everybody on the platform, you don't know. I like for another vlog. And viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, yeah man. This is a vlog that is very sensitive. I want to know, watch it, and if you can give some advice in the comment section or reach out to the lady because she needs assistance. Yeah, but I don't know as usual. Just come for the school run, second day back to school, and the youths them want to say hello. See? So, you see them here?
Good evening, everyone. Believe in peace and love.
Good evening, peace and love.
Yeah. And that we teach you, we live in peace and love, you know? Yeah, so, yeah man. Any more viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share the content. Click and subscribe and click the bell. You know what I mean? And yeah, so, you're the lady, I say, see?
I'm Angela Reid, President. I'm a Jamaican born and raised, citizen of St. Lucia by marriage. I'm 42 years old, asylum seeker, and I'm in London. I'm seeking some assistance because I don't know how to do it and where to go, who to turn to. I'm a nursing assistant. I come here seeking asylum since 2021, and it's been very rough. It's not something that, I mean, you know, like, I don't know, but my case is very delicate, where I public the government of my country in Jamaica due to corruption. For most of who know me, I was the one that was on the news in 2016 with my daughter, when I was on the Witness Protection Program, and police was giving out information about me, and we were taken to tribunal where my case was looked into, and they sent me away. I wouldn't say where they sent me away to, but I'm in UK and I'm living like a dog. As you can see, I'm on the street. You know, I'm a nursing assistant. I have a happy family, I have my children, and here I am, can't go home. I asked the Home Office to let me go home because, I mean, like, I even end up in the hospital and I don't know how I end up in the hospital. The doctor said I come in unconscious. They take me from the Migrant Health Office in Croydon, Tarrington East, because I was having a chill. The rain was falling, I was cold, I was soaking wet, and it triggers a seizure. So I'm here, and the winter is coming. I signed up back with the volunteer return to go home because this is not my lifestyle. I didn't know seeking asylum for protection would be like this. When people tell you, if you want protection, serious protection, this is a country, it's a woman country, will protect you as long as they have proof and evidence that you need protection, which Home Office already have, right? Because I was all over the news. But I'm saying that I'm here, and as you can see where I'm sitting up, I just want to go home. I want to go home. I don't know if there's any other option because the tribunal want me to appeal. Home Office refused my benefits. They refused my asylum. I have a St. Lucian book, so I don't need visa to come here. I have two books. I have a Jamaican book and a St. Lucian book for all over the Eastern Caribbean, so I'm not illegal, right? But I don't know if there's any lawyer out there, but as I said, tribunal want me to appeal and fight it because they know my case. But I'm not getting any lawyer, I'm not getting any help, I'm not getting any assistance, so I don't know where to turn to. So if there's anyone out there listening to this, anyone out there who can help me, you know, I have a number that I get this phone from the charity, so you can contact me at +44 07 508 75 6688. So that's +44 07 508 75 6688. But anyone, it don't have to be money, it don't have to be, but anybody at all who can get me home. You know, I want to go back to St. Lucia because the Home Office don't want me to go back to Jamaica. Be true to my case, you know, but I just want to go home because I can't stay here on the street. You know, it's been days I have to go into like McDonald's and KFC and places like train station to use the bathroom to clean up myself. You know, I'm a vulnerable person, so it's kind of risky for me to go back to Jamaica. I'm a citizen of St. Lucia, so I don't mind. But being in UK here, I can't be here and be on the street. I don't mind being here for protection, but I can't be here and being on the street because it's very risky. You have a lot of persons, they come, they took away things from you. Sometimes they take away your shoes, sometimes they take away your bag. Yes, I'm a female. We don't have bathroom areas to use, you know. Like this morning I wake up and my month was on me, and it was the other lady that was sleeping next to me. She showed me, and I have to wait until, you know, like places open for me to go and clean myself up. And this is not me, you know, this is not me. I went to Home Office twice. The camera there at Home Office can prove everything that I'm saying. All the train station from King Cross to Liverpool Street to Elephant and Castle, East Street to Camberwell Green, all the McDonald's where I sit up for 24 hours, right? All of them that I have to use public area to clean up myself. There's camera, there's evidence there, you understand? There's a lot of, you know, mistreat, a lot of verbal abuse, you know, that I have to go through. And I tell Home Office I want to go home. I've been saying this, that if I'm going to live like this, it doesn't make sense, you know, because it was not because I'm homeless from where I'm coming from, or because I'm hungry from where I'm coming from, why I come to UK. I come for protection. Now, I've been here 1 year, lost everything back home, you know. So I don't know. I don't know where to go, where to start, because I'm not from here. I don't have family here, so I don't know anyone here. I don't know where to go. I don't know who to go to. Most of the charities will tell you. You understand? I used to go to Victoria at the walk-in shelter where I eat food and so on like that, but I mean, I'm not getting any assistance. Most of the hostel that they put me in, the 2 hostels that they put me in, I was totally harassed. And when I intervened the police in it, they couldn't lock me up or anything.
Yeah, man, bless all our greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Hey, you know, hear what the lady say? Big up everybody you don't know. Channel Star. Sad. I feel it for her, you know. And I hope she gets some help pretty soon, because, you know, winter chipping and it's not a nice feeling, you know, outside in the cold. Who feels it knows. At one point I did homeless, you know. But I just come to England. Yeah, man. We go on a story upon that. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So the lady right now, she says she's on a football. Me I go, you know. Yeah, running late 8 p.m. kickoff. Don't know the season's back again. Yes. I'm an assistant referee tonight. The referee is getting observed. You know what I mean? For promotion, so yeah. But the lady, Jamaica Star, our fellow Jamaicans, yes, she said, the system, the police, corrupt. After she's a witness, you know, state witness, them ending up a leak information out there, you know, to the culprits, them, you know. So she left, you know, left them, let's take her out of the country for her safety. She's also of St. Lucian citizenship by marriage, which means she's married to a St. Lucian man. Now she ended up in the UK. Now I tell them my viewers, I say, it's not easy. It's not easy. That's why I see people now want to get information and we say they might help the police, because them same man, we tell the bad man them who are informer, who are the witness, and then they go get them life get taken out. So the lady I said she want to go back home. She fed up. She want to go back home. But not Jamaica. I wouldn't advise her to go back to Jamaica. She want to go back to St. Lucia. Because if she go back to Jamaica, you don't know, so I eat that for her. But I hope she gets the help in the UK. But you know, she said the UK them don't want this immigration people, them don't want to give her help, take away her benefit and everything, you know what I mean? Now she's out on the street, homeless. John knows that. By the time she say her month come down upon her, and John know. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section now, man. As I say, anybody can help her, please, I'm begging you. Please try to reach out to her and assist her and pass it on to somebody who you think can help her. See? You don't know a lion footing with another vlog. Big up on yourself. Soon up on the next one. Hey, Dan Pre drop a song. The song, I like it. Like a review. So big up yourself, Dan Pre. Do the right thing. So I say, stop the violence and the crime. Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.